says that there will always be heartbreak because love is everything.